Hello everyone, a very good morning to all. Today I will be explaining about the auspicious day called Mohala. And please stay with me till the end of the vlog as I will take you to the streets of Kumotuli, which is known as the hub of idol making of Kolkata. Shubho Mohala everybody. The festive season is just around the corner. Goddess Durga has begun her descent after having vanquished the evil demon Mahishasura. And to remind us of this victory, we have the auspicious day of Mohala. Not only does this annual event hold a religious and spiritual significance, it also reminds us of the power of truth, of courage, and of the universal fact that in the end, good will always triumph over evil. There are many stories associated with the day. Most of the people believe that on this day Goddess Durga officially begins her journey from Mount Kailash, where she resides with her husband Lord Shiva. She comes to her maternal home on earth. So let me explain you what actually is Mohala and why does the Bengal community celebrate it so much. To begin with, the day of Mohala marks the beginning of Devi Pakho and the end of the Priti Pakho, the latter of which is a period of mourning. Hindus consider Priti Pakho to be inauspicious because Chadro or death rites are performed during this period. It is a 16-day lunar period during which people remember and pay homage to their ancestors using food and water offerings. This is termed Torpon. Therefore, Mohala is that particular day where every Bengali starts having that Pujo feel, as it marks the homecoming of Goddess Durga along with her 4 children, Ganesh, Kartik, Lakshmi and Saraswati, on a vehicle of her choice. It could be a palanquin or a boat, an elephant or a horse. Mohala is celebrated roughly 7 days before Durga Puja. Every Bengali household wakes up early in the morning, even before the sun, to customarily listen to a collection of songs and mantras called Mahishasur Mordini in the sonorous voice of Virendra Krishna Bhadra. The mantras invoke the goddess, the most famous one being Jago Tumi Jago. Now let me take you to the land of sculpture making in the heart of the city of joy called Kumotuli. Kumotuli is one of the oldest areas in Kolkata, and the literal translation of the word Kumotuli is derived from the Bengali word Kumur meaning potter. There are many stories of artisans in this area. It is thought that the makers came from Krishnagar, a town in West Bengal around 100 kilometers from Kolkata. There the artisans created icon of the goddess Durga for the Maharaja Krishnachandra. They were brought to Kolkata in 1757 by Raja Navakrishna Dev, who wanted to celebrate Durga Puja in the honor of the British victory at the Battle of Plassey. During this time, the new British rulers set up many districts around the city, where tradesmen and artisans could practice their craft. Ahiritola was set up for milkmen, Kulutola for oil merchants, and Kumotuli for the idol makers and potters.
জাগো তুমি জাগো জাগো দুর্গা জাগো দশ প্রহরণ ধারিণী অভয়া শক্তি বল প্রদায়িনী তুমি জাগো জাগো তুমি
This area is a labyrinth of lanes and workshops, and 400 men and women who work here produce huge amounts of statues. The foundation of each statue is built using split bamboo as a support structure, to which basic forms of straw wrapped with jute are added to make the rough figure. Then a first layer of clay mixed with straw for strength is added to the straw figure. Once this dries, a second layer of smooth clay, which is taken from the banks of Hooghly River, is added to the statue to allow for more refinement and detailing. Durga Puja is a celebration of the mother goddess and the victory of the warrior goddess, Durga over the demon Mahishasura. Kumotuli workers create hundreds of Durga statues before the puja, not only for the people of Kolkata, but also for families who celebrate this festival throughout the world. The end of the festival is marked by the immersion of the idols into the river, and after month of the hard work, the makers see their idols sacrificed to the gods. So I would like to end this vlog, and I wish everyone Shubho Sharoday in advance and enjoy the festival with your family wholeheartedly. Thank you so much for your attention, and please subscribe my channel if you want more such information about different places I am trying to explore. Thank you.
দেখ মন কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি দেখ মন কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি শিউলি মাখা গল্প আগমনের সুর কুমার টুলির গন্ধ ছড়ালো